Hello friends and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is session 4 of my Falling for Fall series, and today I am going to clean and then add fall touches to my kitchen. I want you to come along with me while I do this. I hope that you will have fun. I hope that it will be relaxing for you or inspire you to add some fall to your home as well. So I'm going to invite you to come on in and let's decorate for fall. So friends, as usual, I'm going to begin with cleaning, and I have cleaned the sink where the garbage disposal is, and now I'm just going to sharpen the blades on the garbage disposal and clean the blades as well by adding some ice. I am also going to add a little pine sol down there as well. I don't have any lemons today, so I am going to just add a little pine sol. And then I'm going to clean the other sink and get some dishes done. So let's get started.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you.
Okay guys, so dish is all done. So now I'm going to begin cleaning the counters and adding a bit of fall. I'm not adding too much because it's early, and when I do my whole house reveal, you'll notice that some things have changed. But I am getting started. I'm just so ready for this heat to be over and for fall to come. And although it's still hot, leaves are beginning to fall here already. So that's a sign that it is on its way. So I'm doing the counters, and I'm going to wipe down cabinets and just give everything a good freshening up and cleaning before I add the few fall decorations that I'm going to add today.
It's all because of you, yeah. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yes you do now. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you. Oh.
Yes, my friends, in case you've noticed, I don't know if you have or not, those 3 bottles there are bottles that used to hold Patron. A friend of mine is very fond of it, and she saves the bottles for me, and I find other ways to use them. I love the look of them sitting there because they're all the same, and they hold, one holds my regular cooking oil, peanut oil, one holds pepper flakes, and one holds salt. And I like the way they look, especially after I labeled them. Didn't know if you'd noticed that or not, but it's one way to reuse things. And I didn't even have to drink the Patron.
You made my dreams come true, because of you, because of you. Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let
Friends, coming up, you'll see a picture of me cleaning the top of the refrigerator. I don't know what happened to the video footage, but I did clean it and added some autumn florals up there as well. I just wanted to let you know that.
trying to move on, looking for someone, but I keep thinking about you, yeah. Yeah. You've been in my head for so long, trying to forget, but it's so hard. Yeah, it's so hard. Yeah. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us.
Friends, I am decorating yet another tray for fall using DIYs. Most everything in this one, well, let me say it this way. A lot of the items in this one are DIY as well as the one that I did a couple of weeks ago for the collab that's on the other side of my kitchen. I love tiered trays. You get a big bang for your buck, and it's easy to remove if you need the space. So yeah, a lot of the items have been DIY'd by yours truly.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you.
Friends, I'm glad that you're still sticking and staying with me. I'm enjoying this, and I hope you are as well. I wanted to pop in to thank those of you that return every week, for every video. My ride or dies, as I call you. I wanted to thank you once again for allowing me to be a part of your day, your week, and for bringing me into your home. I am so very grateful that you do that. For my new subscribers, I want to say I see you, and I'm so very pleased that you're here. And I hope that you will stick and stay and will become an active member of our little family here, and will leave comments and thumbs up and that kind of thing. I love hearing from you guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you will take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button below. And once you do, I hope you'll also hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. This is a lifestyle channel, and we do everything here from cleaning and decorating, as we're doing today. Lots of cleaning and decorating, seasonal decorating as well as every day. We do shopping hauls, the occasional recipe, organizational videos, and all lifestyle videos and homemaking videos. And I like to do those, and I like to try and do them while staying within a budget. And I hope that you are a budget conscious person as well. If any of this sounds like something you would enjoy, I hope that you will go ahead and join our little family here. So guys, we are winding down and coming to the end of this video. As you can see, I've added little touches of fall here and there. Not too many pumpkins yet, not too much color. And I may not add too much color, but I know I'm going to add more pumpkins. And I'm sure you'll see a difference when I do my final reveal of my home tour for fall. But at any rate, I'm glad that you stayed with me until the end. I want to say that I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I want you to be happy. I want you to be safe. I want you to be whole. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Happy fall, y'all. Bye-bye.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body.